Hey, Oludele Atunnise is here again, and I want to welcome you to the day three of our ongoing online business challenge and training series. And we are in day three, and we are making progress. Uh, in today's presentation, our focus shall be on introducing affiliate marketing and information marketing as a money-making vehicle. It's a twin brother online business, as I wrote it as a rider on the slide. We have been able to establish our money making vehicle for 2021 and beyond, both online and offline. But our focus beginning from this day three to the last day of this training presentation will be on more of online uh, money making vehicle or business. And today I will be doing the introduction of affiliate marketing and information marketing. I will only introduce you to what information marketing is all about and affiliate marketing. But the detail of each of them will now be taken one after the other. So that will be the order of the training from henceforth. So introducing affiliate marketing and information marketing. Then on day four, our focus shall be on affiliate marketing, and day five, our focus shall be on information marketing. At the end, the remaining 2 days will now be on two other online money making vehicle. Okay, having said this, without wasting much of our time, like I wrote on the screen, affiliate marketing and information marketing, they are twin brother online business. How do I mean? You understand it now, because they have so many things in common, and uh, one or two difference. So that is why I call them twin brother online business. They have just too many things in common in terms of setting up, delivery, and the likes. But a little deviation of difference with one or two, and that is what I will be taking my time to explain in this today presentation. Okay, let's go. The question is, what is affiliate marketing? And as you can see, affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate, that is an individual that is into affiliate marketing, earn a commission for marketing or promoting another person or company product, and this could be physical or digital. And the question is, how do you start as an affiliate or affiliate marketer? You have to locate a product that solve a problem that people are willing to pay for. I said it, that affiliate marketing is all about solving problem. That is one thing about it. So it is about solving problem. So you have to locate, or the first thing, you have to identify problem that people are willing, they are looking for solution for. And then if you identify that problem, then locate a product that solve that problem that people are willing to pay for. Do you get it now? So that is the process, or how to really do affiliate marketing. So locate a product that solve a problem that people are willing to pay for. It could be health, it could be money making, it could be traveling abroad, it could be marriage and relationship. Yes, it could be that. It could be coaching, it could be child training, it could be uh technique, too many things to that is a problem. Do you get it now? But you just locate those problems and position yourself as a solution provider, recommending problem that solve that problem. And the next thing you need to do after you have located a problem, that is product that solve a problem that people are willing to pay for, then promote the product to your potential buyer. So you know the type of people that are your buyer, either men or women, young or old, aged, or as in that educated or literate. Because until you know your potential buyer, you wouldn't know the promotion method of promoting it. Get it now? So you have to know that you can't be promoting a product that is meant for women and promoting to women to men, and you can't be promoting a product that is meant for single and be promoting it to married people. Yes, so you locating the product is not enough, but promoting to your potential buyer. Yes, and after that, what this is the trend of affiliate marketing. After you have promote your product to your potential buyer, then you make sales, and after you make sales, you get paid commission on each sales you make. So if you make 10 sales, you get commission on 10 sales. Imagine, let's say a product is sold for 20,000 naira, and then you make a sales, you make, and the commission is maybe 30% or 20% or 50%. Then that means that if it is 50%, that means that you are collecting 30,000 naira per sales. So if you make 10 sales, that is 100,000 naira accrued to your account. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. Now we'll move to the next one. What is information marketing? Information marketing is the process of creating, promoting, and selling digital products which help to solve a common problem within a specific niche or topic. You can see that they are related. Affiliate marketing also is selling physical product or digital product, and then also solving a problem. So that is two things that is common. You are selling a problem and you make more money. So, and let's just continue. These products are often created in a form of ebook, yes, video training course, software, live coaching program, audio, podcast, and the likes. And the hint on this is how to conceive baby boy. There are people that their problem is they want a baby boy, and if you have an information, you can package it in form of video, in form of audio, in form of live training or live coaching, in form of ebook, in form of audio podcast, and then you sell it to them. How to conceive a baby boy, how to get pregnant in 90 days, that is a woman infertility or men infertility. Yes, how to reverse hypertension without drug. Can you see now? How to make money, more money during recession. So these are the problem that people are searching for solution, and then if you can get the solution available, just package it. And that is what information marketing is all about. You are selling information about how to solve the problem they are passing through or they are facing. So that is what information marketing is all about. Now that we have defined what information marketing is, what are the main difference between affiliate marketing and information marketing? And as you can see, it has been tabulated. We have affiliate marketing and I have information marketing at the right hand side. Now looking at affiliate marketing, you don't need to create the product. Yes, you don't need to create the product that you want to promote, whereas information marketing, you have to create it. You have to create the product yourself, or you outsource it to people that will create the product for you and give it to you and package it in your name, and you have 100% right or full right to sell it. In fact, your name, everything will be there. So it's either you create it by yourself, by what your experience or knowledge, or you outsource it to people that can help you to create the product, and you just sell it. And now, what again? Affiliate marketing, you sell other people's product, and this can be physical or digital product. So also the same thing, you sell with information marketing, you sell your own product created by you, and at the same time this can be physical or digital product. And when you are talking about physical is something that is tangible, that can be shipped from one place to another. Okay, and again, the difference between affiliate marketing and information marketing? You receive percentage commission of every sales made, whereas when it comes to information marketing, you keep 100% income on every sales made. So if you sell your information market for affiliate product for 10,000 naira and your commission is 50%, that is 5,000 naira. So you are only entitled to 5,000 naira. That has to do with affiliate. But if it is information marketing, if the product is sold for 10,000 naira, then you are entitled to 100% money. That is, the whole 10,000 naira, you keep it to yourself. So that is another difference between affiliate marketing and information marketing. And again, there is the sales copy and swipe copy come with the product. That is has to do with affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing, the vendor or the owner of the product will have write or wrote the sales copy and the swipe copy for the product. All you just need to do is copy and use it at your own as you want. But when it comes to information marketing, you the owner, you will write the website sales copy and swipe copy for your product. So that is few main difference between affiliate marketing and information marketing. Now the question is, why starting affiliate or information marketing? You can start doing affiliate marketing or information marketing to solve problem that people are looking for solution to. So basically, affiliate marketing and information marketing is solution provider business. So if you are not solving a problem, then you are not, you don't, it doesn't worth it going to for affiliate marketing or information marketing, because you have to do a research on a problem people want to find a solution to, and then position yourself as an authority or someone that have knowledge about it, present it, then get a solution to it. For example, now if people, children are failing, for example, if secondary student, SSC student, they are failing mathematics and further maths, and you are good in further math, then you can start selling information of how to pass mathematics, let me say ordinary mathematics and general mathematics and further math at one sitting. You can, so, and then you market it to parents, and don't be surprised. So because you are solving a problem of mass failure in mathematics, so starting affiliate marketing and information marketing, something is why you are starting it is that to solve problems. If you don't have any problem that you don't solve, you want to solve, then you are not qualified to be an information marketer or information affiliate marketer or information marketer. Because an affiliate marketer, you look for the problem, you search for problem that people are facing, and you search for product that solve the problem. And as information marketer also, you look at the problem that people are probably going through, and you want to provide a solution to it. Either you create it by yourself, or you outsource it to someone that can help you create it, and then you sell it to people that need it. And not only that, you add value. You are adding value. So you have to add value, because you are adding to the knowledge of people. For example, now talking about people that want to give birth to baby boy. Not that they have not been having baby, but maybe there is something that they don't do, or that they must do to make their next baby to come as a baby boy. So, and then you have the value valuable information that you want to add to their knowledge, that they, when they utilize it or implement it, then their next baby will be a baby boy. Okay, not only that, then to make more money. So having provides a solution and add value to people, then you will make more money, because the more problem you solve, the more value you add to people's life, the more money you make. That's just it. Okay. Now the question is, what is the potential of affiliate and information marketing? Does it really worth it to go into affiliate marketing or information marketing? Of a truth, it's worth it. Of a truth, it's worth it. So affiliate marketing industry worth well over $12 billion. Can you see on the screen? Not only affiliate marketing is growing fast, but it is already a massive global industry. The statistics for 2018 are yet to come, but in 2017 it worth over 12 billion. Can you see it now? So talking about 2017, and now 2017 to 2020, we will be talking about nothing less than 16 to 18 billion. And it cut across, and this one is a global estimation. Okay, so either you are doing affiliate marketing or you are doing information marketing, it's really worth it. It's really worth your time. And I would not like to use a business that you can make 6 figures, 7 figures monthly from it. No matter where you are, either doing information marketing or affiliate marketing. Okay, so these are the potential of affiliate marketing. And now the question is, a type of affiliate or information product. We have different info products for affiliate marketing and information marketing. We have physical product and we have digital product. So we're talking about you can be an affiliate for physical product. Yes, and also you can create information product in form of in physical. For example, now if it is textbooks is an information marketing. Writing books, the physical one is information, because anything you package in form of books, in form of textbooks, in form of manual that is printable and that you have to pack it and send it. You see pastor writing books, you see clergymen, imam, pastors, teachers, lecturer, professor. What they are packing is information. So the information can be in form of, it can be physical or digital. When it is physical, that is when it is handleable. That is, it requires sending it from one place to another that people can see it. But when it is digital, is that one you don't need to ship it. It can be downloaded through email, through the internet, and then it can be in video, it can be audio, it can be podcast, it can be newsletter. Like the one you are watching now is information. As an information product that is digital, because you don't download anything. You are just download. You don't ship anything. You download it online and you are watching it. Okay, but if I package it, I burn it, or I write it on a DVD and I need to send it to you, that is when it becomes physical product. Okay, so affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is that you can sell it, you are promoting physical product, and which can be e-commerce, also can be digital, it can be information product in form of physical format. Okay, so that is the two ways, two form of product that we have for affiliate marketing and information marketing. And I think with that we have come to the end of the day 3 presentation, and day 4 presentation. Now our focus shall now be on affiliate marketing business secret, how to successfully set up a profitable affiliate marketing business online. This shall be our focus in day 4 presentation. So I want to appreciate you for your time and for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section if you are watching this video on YouTube. And if you are downloading it, or if you have downloaded it and you want to have an audience with me, and then you can contact me through my email or my phone number. Let me share that on the screen with you. And as well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, you can contact me if you are watching this video on YouTube. Then you can leave your question in the comment section. But if you have downloaded it and you are watching it on your system, you can contact me through the email address on the screen, admin@legitcapital.com, or WhatsApp or Telegram number 08188008252. So you can contact me through any of these means. And not only that, please, for you to receive notification anytime we upload a new video, then endeavor to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that next time there's a new upload or new video like this is uploaded, then you can be notified through your email. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, then you are good to go to be notified, to be prompted anytime we upload a new business training like this that will help you. It has been the first of Oludele Atunnise once again. See you in the day 4 business presentation, talking about affiliate marketing business secret, how to successfully set up a profitable affiliate marketing business online. Thanks once again. See you at the top. Bye.